Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Skullcandy Earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, before we start, please note that the exact procedure may vary depending on your specific model, as there is a few models out there. So this is just a general guide. In saying that, we need to unpair from all devices. So on your smartphone or other devices, navigate to Bluetooth settings and then locate your Skullcandy earbuds in the list of paired devices and select the option to forget or unpair. Then from here we want to power off the earbuds, so remove both earbuds from the charging case, press and hold the button on each earbud for approximately 4 seconds until they power off. And then we need to initiate the reset, so press and hold the button on each earbud for around 10 seconds. This action will reset the earbuds, clearing any previous connections and settings. Then we need to go ahead and repair the earbuds, so place the earbuds back into the charging case and ensure they are charging. After a few seconds, remove them from the case. The earbuds should automatically enter pairing mode, indicating by LED lights flashing. On your device, navigate to Bluetooth settings and select your Skullcandy earbuds from the list of available devices to complete the pairing process.